Happy birthday, Len! Oh.
Happy 50th birthday to you, to my dearest and beautiful mother. I want to congratulate you for stepping onto another stage of life, which is your senior year. And I am thankful for you as my mother for being a kind, humble, respectful, and loving mother that everybody can ask for. I am thankful that you've guided me through the path that I should be going on the decisions if I should do it right or wrong. I am also grateful for making me study to a prestigious school that helped me achieve my goals. Lastly, I wish you the very best day ahead of you. I love you so much, Mother dear, from your son, Jaime.
Happy birthday, ate. More blessings to come. Take care of yourself always. Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, ate. Take care always. Enjoy your day. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mama. I wish that you're in good health and may God protect you. I love you and miss you.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you and miss you.
Happy birthday. Wish ko good health and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Ate Lile!
Happy birthday. Have many more birthday to come. Nanay.
Happy birthday
po.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita Lily.
Happy birthday, Ate Lily! God bless!
Happy birthday, Ate Lily. More birthdays to come and wish you good health. Ingat din palagi. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Tita Lily. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi sa Dubai. More blessing and love to come po sa inyo. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Ma! Enjoy your day! God bless!
Hello po, ma. Happy birthday po. More birthdays to come and ingat po palagi.